Thermador range. Taking this apart just to replace this top piece, which was damaged, but take that off. Now to take all these screws out of. On the front here, we see the screws missing. Just to take that off. Those screws. Let's go back. Put them on there. That's fine. And so you have to release it from. And then by the brackets here. These screws over there, which we already took out. Same here. Screws there. If you look at where the indicator knobs are, notice where the screws are missing. Take that off. One. Back to this. One. And two. And then this one was top ones and bottoms. 1, 2, 3. And that's good. That's all good. This is again the Thermador range. Gas range, gas and electric. Again, just to take this piece off here, all those screws have to come out, and you have to take underneath there. Once you get that out, there's 7/6, or you need a 7mm specialty socket, deep socket to get the last screw out, which is underneath here. It's underneath here, and it's 1 7mm screw to take that off. Here's the top of the range. Oh, so all this has to come off too. Okay. Just to take that one piece out here. Piece.